Example C then, we've 13 over 18 and we're subtracting 5 over 9. We cannot subtract at the minute because the denominators are not the same. So we have to make them the same by getting the lowest common multiple of 18 and 9. So the smallest number that 18 and 9 go into is just 18. So that means we're going to make both denominators 18. Good news, the denominator in this fraction already is 18, so we don't need to touch this one. Bad news is denominator of this fraction is not 18. So we're going to have to turn this 9 into 18. So let's take our second fraction, 5 over 9. We want to make the denominator 18. So we've got to multiply 9 by 2. And we have to do exactly the same thing to the numerator. So that's going to give us 5 times 2 is 10. We have 10 over 18. Now, we now subtract the two fractions that have the same denominator. So we now have the first fraction was 13 over 18, and we are subtracting the other fraction, which is 10 over 18. Now we are allowed to subtract the fractions because their denominators are the same, so that means our denominator in our answer will also be 18. The numerator in our answer is found by subtracting the separate numerators. So 13 subtract 10 is just going to leave us with 3. Now our answer is proper, which is good because the numerator is smaller than the denominator, but it's not fully cancelled. So we can't stress this enough. When you get what you believe to be your final answer, check that it's fully cancelled. This guy isn't, because the largest number that goes into 3 and 18 is 3. So divide both by 3, we get 1, and then we're going to get 6. So our final answer is 1 over 6, 1/6.